logic game, specify the that game. Then we have, of course, alligator teeth and a ball. On this experiment, we detach the alligator into the other alligator tip. When it's detached to other, what will happen to the bulb? It is on. And when the alligator tip attached to other alligator tip, what will happen to the bulb? It's off. Turned off. So, in that case, is when a switch or alligator tip is attached to other, it may turn on. And when the alligator tip is attached to other alligator tip, the bulb turns off. So, do you have any questions? Me. How did it happen? In the source, they have a current in, and they flow to the alligator tip and float the bulb. And the bulb turns on, and they look like cycles in this alligator tip bulb. Is there any question? How about if we will detach the other tip? Just look to the book. When we touch the other alligator tip to us,
Alright,
turns on. And when attached, turns off. So it's just the same. Yeah, it's just the same with the other alligator tip. Just keep it. I therefore conclude that the NAT gate is when the switch is attached to the other, the bulb turns on. And when the alligator tip or switch attached to the other alligator tip, the bulb turns off. Thank you. Kapag yan,
Okay na.